Thanks for visiting Wealthy Coins again, everyone. Hiring freezes at Shiba Inu headquarters as CEO prepares for Shibarium. What is going on? Upcoming SHIB news. As its name suggests, Shiba Inu was born out of internet humor and is hence considered a meme coin. Dogecoin, another meme coin parodying an internet meme involving a Shiba Inu dog, inspired the name of the 15th largest cryptocurrency token. What happens when the CEO of Shiba Inu fires everyone on the team just before Shibarium? We'll discuss everything in this video. What is going on? SHIB updates. To view our most recent information on Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. The cryptocurrency market's unfavorable reaction to the likelihood of another Fed rate hike has pulled down the price of Shiba Inu by 1.5% in the last day. Although it has stayed up 35% since the beginning of the year, it has fallen 9% in the past week and 24% in the past 30 days. Despite the decline today, SHIB has a good probability of making a comeback later on this week. The announcement that Shibarium, the Shiba Inu Layer 2 network, will debut its public beta this week has put this into perspective, marking the beginning of an era where the meme coin starts to have some real practical use. According to SHIB's indications, the meme token is about to hit rock bottom, after which it might have a nice recovery. Nearing 30 on the relative strength index, the token will formally be considered oversold and a bounce is imminent. In a similar vein, SHIB's 30-day moving average has started a precipitous decline and will likely cross beneath its 200 days soon. Speculators may now anticipate that SHIB will start climbing again, a development that when Shibarium is live, it will streamline and reduce the cost of SHIB transactions for the small handful of apps like ShibaSwap that make up the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This means that DeFi and the rest of the crypto economy will find this ecosystem more appealing, which means that SHIB will attract more users and adopters. When a result, there will be a greater need for SHIB, and with the release of Shibarium, there will be more SHIB burned when transaction fees are destroyed. Given that the meme token has taken a more severe beating than other big tokens as of late, this is coming at the perfect moment for SHIB. As an example, a large number of whales have been selling off their SHIBs as of late. There was a 12.5% decline to $606 million from $694 million on February 8th, when the largest 500 ERC20 addresses owned SHIB. A decrease like this doesn't diminish the fact that whale SHIB holdings are significantly bigger now than they were at $84.5 million in mid-January. This indicates that a large number of whales purchase SHIB at relatively high prices. Since they are unlikely to sell at a loss, it is possible that the coin will maintain its value around the $0.000000105 support level. Market optimism for SHIB will grow in the long run as a result of the launch of SHIB the Metaverse. In this Shiba Inu-themed metaverse, players will find 100,595 pieces of land that can be used or bought. The land is organized into 4 districts: growth, defense, technology, and currencies. Although information on SHIB the Metaverse is still vague, its launch will undoubtedly boost demand for SHIB, which will have practical uses on the platform. This leads us to believe that SHIB has a bright future ahead of it. Once Shibarium begins this week, there will be a pump, and it's likely that it will rise continuously throughout the year. Based on the most recent data from Change.ly, the average year high projection is $0.000006248, which is a 48% increase from where it is now, but SHIB holders anticipate even greater increases in the near future. Some are clinging to the unrealistic goal of 0.1 USD or perhaps $1 USD. As of this writing, the statement had received over 9,500 likes and 3,500 retweets, a clear indication of how enthusiastically the SHIB army received it. The SHIB army is betting that the SHIB meme coin will be bullish in the long run due to the number of decentralized applications on the waitlist for the Shibarium Layer 2 scaling network. Also, the token burn will happen much faster after the Shibarium Layer 2 scaling solution is launched. There will be a shift in the Shiba Inu ecosystem away from theoretical considerations and toward practical applications. So the meme currency with the second highest market valuation may compete fiercely with other leading digital assets. Unveiled the new intake system and website for Shibarium. All coins on the Shibarium public beta are for testing purposes. Kusama warned the SHIB army, so investors shouldn't fall for scams. Shiba Inu ecosystem members are concentrating on the highly anticipated introduction of the Shibarium L2 scaling solution. Now that the Shibarium L2 is up and running, the Shiba Inu community should probably expect more token burns. More whales from the Ethereum network have allegedly migrated to the Shiba Inu network in search of higher rewards. According to statistics from Whale Stats, the top 100 Ethereum whales own SHIB at a rate of 12%, despite the coin's recent price decline. SHIB has a market valuation of $601.2 million. Considering that the majority of investors currently own more stablecoins, this sum only accounts for approximately 10% of the altcoins held by ETH whales, started shelling out a cool $100 million for Shiba Inus. Etherscan, a blockchain monitoring organization, reports that a massive crypto whale has acquired $118 billion, $58 million, $494,947 SHIB, valued at $1.34 million. After his last purchase, the investor's cryptocurrency holdings, which comprise roughly 40% of the whale's holdings, are now valued over $225.34 million, with a staggering total of $19 trillion, $801 billion, $801 billion, $902 million, $902 million, $912,350 SHIB. Despite the recent upheaval and strife inside the project's inner circle, the majority of members in the Shiba Inu community still support head developer Satoshi Kusama, according to a recent poll. Speculation and speculations have been circulating in the community of an escalating dispute between Trophius, co-leader of the SHIB defense team, and Kusama in recent days. In a Discord chat, Trophius leveled significant accusations against Satoshi Kusama, claiming that Kusama had destroyed the decentralization of the Shiba Inu ecosystem by conducting a hostile takeover and dissolving the so-called Breeds team. Among the numerous community figures allegedly let go by Kusama is Shib Queenie, who tweeted everyone's replaceable following the announcement of her departure with a mysterious artwork. Nothing is halting progress, rest assured. In order to aid the community's developers in expanding the ecosystem, the Breeds team was established, but many in the community have criticized Kusama for removing them from the Shibarium channel. Even the primary developer has been accused of having a megalomaniac personality by some individuals. The team is still planning to release Shibarium despite all the internal strife, eagerly awaited Layer 2 answer. Kusama stated in a Telegram chat, "If I only work with one, there is a point of weakness," referring to his present situation in which he collaborates with numerous teams. Imagine a designer who has made enough to stop designing or a defense that decides to take attack. What would happen then? I need to prepare for every possible outcome. Some people don't always find this funny. It should be noted that the Shiba Inu community has had internal problems before, as well as the outcome of this most recent disagreement. Still, there are strong views on both sides of the issue, and the community as a whole is clearly divided. Regardless, the Shiba Inu project is still well underway, and the crew is dead set on releasing Shibarium. The latest tweets from Coinbase director Connor Gragan include some intriguing information. According to him, there is an intriguing OpenSea account associated with a wallet that is directly linked to the creator of Shiba Inu. The name of the account is Alameda. On the other hand, Grogan has previously established the link between Shiba Inu and Alameda. In a thread last month, the director of Coinbase published facts that indicated Alameda, the largest chip farmer at the time, would have constructed the peak of the meme coin's most recent bull run by selling it shortly before FTX introduced chip eternal trading. So concludes today's activities. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up.